Hello pupils, welcome to Darasa Online. My name is Musa and today I'm going to teach you mathematics. Today we are going to see our main competence to apply mathematics to solve problems in different contexts. But also our specific competence, we are going to apply mathematical operations to solve problems. Therefore, after I have said so, we'll be having our main activity, which for today we are going to deal with. Our main activity is to add whole numbers which is not exceeding 99,999. So I warmly welcome you. As you have already prepared watching me, let us be together from the beginning up to the end of this lesson. Welcome. Dear pupils, when you are doing addition of numbers, we consider or we follow two methods in which we are going to deal with today. The first method, it is horizontal addition. Dear pupils, this is the first method we are going to apply in order to get the sums of numbers which is not exceeding 99,999. So, the sums of numbers can be solved by arranging the numbers horizontally. When arranging numbers horizontally, we can do addition by considering their place values. Horizontal method, it looks like this. This is how horizontal way of writing numbers looks like. So today we are going to use this method to add numbers. Don't forget that when we are adding these numbers, we need to consider the place values. So today we are going to use tally in order to do these operations. Now, before I proceed, let me memorize you different place values which are found in these numbers. When we consider this number here, we have different place values. We have ones. So digit 5, it is in ones. And also we have the second place value after ones, which is exactly tens. After tens, we have hundreds. And after hundreds, we have thousands. Dear pupils, these are place values found in the first group of digits. And then in the second group of digits, we have the same place values of numbers. Therefore, we have ones, tens, hundreds, as well as thousands. Dear pupils, as I've said earlier that when we are adding numbers horizontally, we need to consider the place values. So every place value will correspond to the same place value. For example, ones will go together with ones. Dear pupils, now let us copy our example here on the whiteboard. This is our example, number 1. So now let us start solving. Remember, when we are solving these problems, please don't panic because it is very simple. Just consider the place values of numbers. When you get the sum of number which exceed 10, please, we need to carry forward. Hope you understand. Okay, now let's start. In the first group of numbers, we have different digits, which is having different place values. Therefore, here we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So let's start adding. As I said earlier, today we are going to use tally. Therefore, we start with ones. So 1 plus 9. Now, here we need to count 1, tally. We add with 9 tallies. So here we'll be having 1 to represent digit 1, and also we need to add 9 tallies. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dear pupils, after counting this tally to represent 1 and these 9 tallies to represent 9, now we are going to add them together. That means we count them together. Let us count together. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the sum of 1 and 9 gives 10. 10. It gives 10. Therefore, we need to write 0 and then we carry 1 forward. Remember, when we are adding horizontally, we need to write our answers from right to left. So, this number 0, we are going to write it to the right hand side. After writing 0, we carry 1 forward. And this one, we come to put here over the next digit after 1. Therefore, we repeat the same procedure. Here, we have 1 plus 7. So 1 plus 7, it is 8. So we need to count 8 tallies to represent 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This place values, which is in tens, it is supposed to be added with the other number found in the second group of number, which is in tens. So in this case, we add 8 together with 8. Therefore, we count the first 8, which is this one. We add, again we count 8 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dear pupils, after we have done so, now we need to count all of tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We add this 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the sum of 8 and 8 gives 16. Therefore, we write 6 and then we carry 1 forward. Are we together? Then we write 6 here. And then we carry 1 forward. We put it there on top of 2. Now, here we have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 pupils? Yes, very good. It is 3. So here we count 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3. The sum of these two, 1 and 2, which makes 3, should be added with 9. So these are 3 tallies. Then we need to count 9 tallies more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dear pupils, after writing the tallies to represent these numbers, we need to count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the sum of 3 and 9 gives 12. Dear pupils, which digit among 1 and 2 are we going to write? Are we going to write 2 or 1? Very nice. We need to write 2 and then we carry 1 forward. And the one we carry, we put it here on top of number 8. So here we have 1 plus 8. Pupils, 1 plus 8. Yes, very good. It is 9. So this 9 should be added with 6. 9 should be added with 6. So we count 9 tallies and then we add 6 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we add 60 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the sum of 9 and 6 gives 15. So from 15 we have got, which digit are we going to write? Yes, exactly. We need to write 5 and then we carry 1 forward. And then we carry 1 forward. This one we put on top of number or digit 5. So here we get 1 plus 5. Dear pupils, what is the sum of 1 and 5? Yes, the sum of 1 and 5 gives 6. So you can count 1 tally and then add 5 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you count them together, you'll get the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the sum of 1 and 5 gives 6. So here we have 6. This 6 should be added with 3. 6 should be added with 3. Therefore, let us count 6 tallies and then we need to add with 3 tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tallies. Then we add 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3. After adding, now let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. So here we need to write 9. Dear pupils, this is our answer from this kind of question. Therefore, we need to separate these digits starting from the right-hand side. We need to count 3 digits and then we put comma. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3. So between 5 and 2 we need to put comma. Now this is our answer. Dear pupils, remember to consider the place values when adding, and also make sure that when you add the sum of two digits greater than 10, you need to carry forward. Now, let us see the second example. This is example number 2. It states, add 78,965 plus 15,246. Let us do on the whiteboard. Now, let us solve example number 2. So here, we need to follow the same procedure. When we get the sum of two digits greater than 10, we need to carry forward. Then here, we have 5 and 6. So 5 plus 6, you need to count 5 tallies and also 6 tallies, and then you group them together and count them together. So here we'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We add 6 tallies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the sum of 5 and 6 gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, we write 1, we carry 1 forward. Therefore, here we have 1 plus 6. The sum of 1 and 6 is, can you answer? You count 1 tally, and also you count 6 tallies, and then you group them together, then you count them. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 7. So, 7 should be added with 4. Count 7 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then add 4 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the sum of 7 and 4, it is 11. So 11, we write 1 and then we carry 1 forward. This one should be written on top of the next digit, which is 9. Therefore, here we have 1 plus 9. What is the sum of 1 and 9? Exactly, it is 10. So now we need to count 10 tallies and then we add 2 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add 2 tallies. 1, 2. Count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the sum of 10 and 2 gives 12. So we write 2 and then we carry 1 forward. We write 2 and then we carry 1 forward to the next digit. Here we have 1 plus 8. The sum of 1 and 8 gives 9. So we need to count 9 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this 9 should be added with 5. So add more 5 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum of all tallies is, we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. We write 4, we carry 1 forward. We carry 1. We write on top of this, of the last digit here. Therefore, we have 1 plus 7. The sum of 1 and 7, dear pupils? Yes. When you take 1, you add 7, you will get 8. Then count 8 tallies from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 tallies we add with 1. So add 1 more tally. Then count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Dear pupils, this is how we do addition of whole numbers with carrying. Remember, after performing your operation, make sure that you separate the first 3 digits. You need to count the first 3 digits and put a comma. 1, 2, 3. So this is our answer. Dear pupils, now let us see the second way of doing addition, and this is vertical addition. Dear pupils, it is very easy to find the sums of number by using this method, simply because all digits are arranged according to their place values. So let us see more examples on how to solve or to find the sums of numbers vertically. Yes, dear pupils, this is example number 1. It reads add 13,827 plus 15,685. Now copy it and let us do it on the whiteboard. Now, this is our question, 13,827 plus 15,685. As normal, we need to start with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, as well as 10,000s. Here, in the place of ones, we have 7 and 5. So we need to count 7 tallies, and then we add 5 more tallies. So 7 tallies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we add 5 more tallies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To get a sum, you count all tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, the sum of 7 plus 5, it is 12. So 12, we need to write 2 in the place of 1s, and then we carry 1 forward. So we write 2, and then we carry 1 forward. We need to put on the next digit. In this case, it is 2. That makes 1 plus 2 equals to 3, and then 3 plus 8. So count 3 tallies and add 8 more tallies to get a sum. 1, 2, 3, then add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to get a sum, you need to count all tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, 3 plus 8 equals to 11. So which digit are we going to write? We write 1, this one, in the place of tens, and then we carry 1 forward. We need to write on top of the next digit, which is 8. Are we together? Therefore, this makes 1 plus 8. What is the sum of 1 plus 8? It is 9. Therefore, count 9 tallies and then add 6 more tallies to get a sum of 9 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Add more 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Therefore, the sum of 9 plus 6, it is 15. Therefore, we write 5, and then we carry 1 forward. Write 5, carry 1 forward. Just put on the thousands place value, which makes 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 4 plus 5. So count 4 tallies and then add more 5 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, the sum of 4 and 5 makes 9. So we write 9 here. And lastly, in the place of 10,000s, we have 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Therefore, after finishing, we need to separate these digits. You count 3 digits from the right-hand side, and then you separate them with comma. So 1, 2, 3, then you put comma. Therefore, our answer is 29,512. Let us see the second example on vertical addition. Yes, this is our second example. It reads add 87,735 plus 5,486. Now, let us do it on the whiteboard. Yes, this is our second example. So to get a sum of 87,735 plus 5,486, we need to start adding from ones. So don't forget that. So in ones, we have 5 and 6. So we count 5 tallies, and then we add more 6 tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, we write 1. Then we carry 1 forward. We write on top of 3. That makes 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 4 plus 8. Count 4 tallies, then add 8 more tallies. What is the answer? Yes, I hope after counting 4 tallies and then you add 8 tallies, you got this, 12. Yes, therefore, we write 2 and then we carry 1 forward. So, in hundreds, we have 1 plus 7 plus 4. Count 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Then count 8 tallies and then add 4 more tallies. What do you get? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Equals to 12. Therefore, we need to write 2, and then we carry 1 forward. Write 2 here, then carry 1 forward. So, in thousands, we have 1 plus 7 plus 5. 1 plus 7 equals to, yes, it is 8. Then count 8 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then add 5 more tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the sum? Count together. All of these tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Therefore, the sum of 8 plus 5, it is 13. We need to write 3. Write 3 there, and then carry 1 forward. And lastly, in the place of thousands, 10,000s, we have 1 plus 8. What is the sum of 1 and 8? Yes, it is 9. So, remember to separate this. 1, 2, 3, and then put in comma. Therefore, our answer is 93,221. Dear pupils, let us see the last example, which is example number 3. Yes, this is example number 3. It reads add 78,696 plus 2,323. Let us do it on the whiteboard. Now, this is example number 3. In the place of ones, we have 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 equals to, yes, count 6 tallies and then add 3 tallies. You'll get 9. Okay? 9 plus 2. Count 9 tallies there and then add more 2 tallies. What do you get? You'll get 11. So here, you write 1 and then you carry 1 forward. You write on top of 6. That makes 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. 7 add 3. What do you get? You'll get 10. So in this case, we write 0, we carry 1 forward. Write 0 and carry 1 forward. So in the place of thousands here, we have 1 plus 8 plus 2. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. Take 1, add it to 8. You get 9. 9 plus 2. So 9, when you add 2, you'll get 11. So 11 here, we write 1, and then we carry 1 forward. And lastly, in the place of 10,000s, we have 1 plus 7. What is the sum? 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Therefore, we separate 3 digits from the right-hand side. 1, 2, 3. We put comma. And therefore, our answer is 81,019. After we have seen these 3 examples, now I would like to give you an exercise so that you can practice that at home under the guidance of your parents or your brothers and sisters, make sure that you do and then submit to them so that they can mark it, okay? Let us see. Yes, this is exercise question number 1 reads, add 77,999 plus 10,001. Second question, add 85,519 plus 2,791. The third question, add 60,323 plus 5,486. And the last question is, add 67,383 plus 15,488. After you have done those questions, I've provided you with the answers so that after doing, make sure that you compare and get exactly answers like these I'm going to give you here. These are answers for your exercise. Make sure that the first question, after getting the sum, you need to get exactly 88,000. The second answer, make sure you get 88,310. The third question, you need to get 65,809. And lastly, make sure that you get a sum of 82,871. Therefore, this is the end of this lesson. I hope to see you in the next mathematics lessons. Bye for now.